I just want to quickly show you how to create writable text field using Protopie. So where the users who are actually testing your design can type in a text field, right? So let's get started with it. We are in Figma right now, and we'll create a quick frame. So I'll just go to frame. I'll create the iPhone 14 frame here, right? And we are going to create maybe a login screen or something like that, right? So we'll create called sign up. Just increase the text size a bit. Okay. And we'll create a field here. This is not really necessary. You'll understand why, right? So this is just to position it while you're designing it and all that, where this should come. You can do it like that. I will duplicate this. So maybe this is the username and password and all those things. I'll just quickly show this. I will not create any text and stuff like that. So, and then there is the button here, which is could be the submit button or something, right? So we have a login screen, a sign up screen. And what we will need to do is we will go to Protopie and we'll export. Before that, we need to make sure that our Protopie is open. Okay. Keep it open. Select the frame that you want to export, go to plugins, and then click on Protopie. It'll ask that do you want to export one scene to Protopie, click export. That's going to go and create the project here. Have to wait for the progress and it's done, right? So we have the scene. Now here is the thing that we have to do here, right? To make this to a typeable thing. So what we can do here is that there is a couple of options that you can see in the top here, right? So you can see there is a media section, there is a shape section, there is a text section, and in the text section you can see something called input, right? So this is what means that it actually converts it into a text input. So I'm going to select this, and we need to draw that text input in this particular area, right? So this is a placeholder of text, and I'll create one more because for the password we need it, right? So we will select the second one also. I'll just drawing around it. So we have two input placeholders here, right? So input one is this and input two is this. Now what we can do here is that we can actually come here, and if you go down, you can see there are so many options here. We will change this text. So keyboard options is when you are typing this is an email, right? So we can say that this is an email. So if the @ symbol and .com is not there, it will not be accepted, right? So in here, it's a password. So we're going to change that to a text password, right? So it will be a password field, and then it will apply. So once we have all of this ready, if we preview it, you can see that users can now enter, and they can enter the input here. There will be keyboard and everything which will be coming in, and it will be a much better way to actually show your application prototype rather than showing just an empty screen which they cannot interact with, right? So this is a micro interaction for a text field, right? So try doing that in your app. Okay, thank you.